installing an awesome speaker system in my baby. Check it out.
It's like you love it. Do you love?
I do.
Oh, that took the wind right out of my sails.
Well, if you guys will excuse me, it's time for her propeller-to-tail fuselage.
Shut up, Tails!
Okay, now that's just nuts. What?
Free sauce made with real poison. Just my patented blend of herbs and spices. See? Harmless. Try. Well, looks like I finally found Sonic the Hedgehog sauce. He's scared of
Egg sack.
My worst fears have come true.
What's wrong?
It's delicious. It's like my...
What's wrong?
It's like my...
What's wrong?
Shut up, Tails!